would just want the summary. You might not want the details. Like I just want the summary, energy industry, how many records, how much revenue, how many employees, that's it. I might not want to see all the details. Okay. So in case you don't want to see the details, just go to this show option, click on it and check off the details thing and check off the drop zone thing also. Now this gives you a proper summary, just a small summary report. So which industry, how much revenue, how many employees, you get it from here. Alright. Now the next format, that is the matrix format of report. So matrix format is also similar to summary format. The only difference in a matrix and a summary format is matrix format is usually summary format is usually on one axis. Matrix can summarize your data in both the axes. Okay. So let me just give you some idea on that. Let's say you have industries here, energy and apparel, right now what we have done, we have summarized the data on this axis. That's fine. But in case you have your business in 3 different countries, right? India, US and Canada. Now you are asked about the breakups of the countries. So the management wants you to produce a report which gives the breakup by industry, by country. Okay. So then what will you do? So per industry, per country, how much revenue we are able to generate. I don't want the total of energy. I just want the breakup of energy for India, Canada and US. So there we can create a report like this. Let's say total revenue for energy is 30,000. So this is 60,000 and for hospitality is 90,000. But this is not what the management is looking at. They say, okay, you give us a complete breakup. So a good way of creating a report will be like this. This is called a matrix report, where you have 2 axes. One will be vertically, the other will be horizontal. Okay, so if you have to do the grouping based on 2 criteria, one you can put vertically, the other you can put horizontal, and this kind of breakup you can get. So total for this, so you have the option of looking into each and individual details, that how much revenue did you generate from energy in India, in US, in Canada, right? How much revenue did you generate from India in total? How much revenue did you generate from apparel industry in total, breakup, the entire thing, right? So we already have one side of it done. We already have the vertical thing. Horizontal axis we have to put only, right? So just convert it into matrix format. The moment you make it into a matrix format, you will see there is a drop field option comes here also. This side, so we have already put, we already have this industry thing. Here we have to put one more field. So let me put type. I don't have country field available here, so I'll put type. So customer direct, customer channel. Okay, done. Summarizing is being done. Yes. Go and go to show, remove the drop zones. It will remove the drop zones, and go and remove the record counts. That's it. Here is the report by industry and by the type, account type. So for biotechnology, customer direct, what is the revenue? What is the number of employees? For biotechnology, customer channel, what is the revenue? What is the number of employees? So sometimes you might need to produce reports like this. So this is called matrix format. Difference between a summary and a matrix format is pretty simple. Summary has just one axis and matrix format report has two axes, right? So that is basically the difference between these two. Clear?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Could you please repeat the steps of matrix report?
Shall I go back to summary?
Summary is fine, just for matrix.
So just go to the matrix format. I mean, before this we were here. Okay. So if you convert a summary report, if you change the format to matrix, this is how it will show you this, the preview. Now, as I said, on a matrix report, we'll have to have the grouping done on both the axes. So vertically we have done it. Horizontally we have not put any field to group, right? So moment you convert it into a matrix format, you will see a drop zone where you can drop a field. Okay. So how will you drop it? Just drag and drop it here. Now we have dropped the field here. Go and remove the drop zone from here, because there you see there is a lot of space which is being taken by these drop zones. So we have done a vertical grouping, we have done a horizontal grouping. Fine. Just remove the drop zones and also remove the record count. So there is one more field called record count which appears here. So in case you don't want the record count, you can remove that. So that is how it creates the matrix format report. And you see, I mean, these reports are so easy to create. Reporting is one thing which you might need to do, pretty frequently, and there's one very important thing that you will need to work on. The only thing with the reporting is we just need to understand, what kind of reports we can create and what all criteria or conditions we have to put there, right? So in case they are asking for a report in last 1 month, or they are asking for a report for last 3 months. So any of those things we'll have to just mention here, and we'll have to create the report. So creating report is not a difficult thing. We just need to understand what all formats are available. That's it. So I hope this matrix format is clear now to everyone. Okay.